What's up guys, Lindsay here. We're in front of the Wildwood Heritage Glen. You are at Funtown RV. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and make sure you come out and see us. So starting here first with your pass-through storage. As you can see, it's plenty storage space, ample storage space in here, very convenient. And you even have a hidden storage space here, which is also convenient if you wanted to access it through the bedroom. Another thing, when you're camping, nobody wants to use a manual, but you have your power stabilizing jack here. This is a beautiful unit, as you can see. You have a awning here with the lighting on the awning, very nice. This is the rear kitchen unit, Wildwood Heritage Glen. Also, stepping down to this end, so you have your furnace here. And here, you have your outside grill rack where you can attach your grill and hey, get that brisket on there because we love us a good old barbecue in Texas. Also, your outside refrigerator. Stay hydrated, stay refreshed, keep your refreshments for your company. Hey, it's entertainment. Here, you have your park cable connection. Also, you have another outside plug connection. Then you also have stabilizers in the back, power. You have your on-demand water heater, which is the best thing to have on the unit because you're not gonna have to wait for taking your shower. When you're ready to get in there, as soon as you turn it on, within 2 to 3 seconds, you got hot water. Who wants to wait on a cold shower? I hate cold showers. Let me take you to the back. Here, you have your park cable connection, you have your satellite hookup, you have your vent for your kitchen, and here you have your outside shower. Thank you. In case the dogs are out here, you gotta wash them off before you let them come back in, maybe even the kids. Also, whenever you're done using your sewage hose and you wanna store that stinky thing, we have a convenient storage space for you right here. Starting at the front door, you can see where this unit brings value. You have a full tinted door, which makes sure it keeps you cool inside. We know how hot it gets in Texas. Let's step inside. So as soon as you step into your rear kitchen unit, you have your living room here. This is a nice living room. You have your couch here, quite spacious couch. Very good for when you want to accommodate. Clearly see everyone can still see the TV from both ways, right? Also, let me show you what this couch does. Good old-fashioned napper. So, I don't know about you guys, but after all this entertainment, it's definitely time to eat. Oh, so stepping over here to your dinette area, as you can see, you can sit 4, which usually is good enough because I don't like to share that much, but hey, you got full space. We all can have big plates, and you have a beautiful view with your windows here. And you know, I like to entertain when we talk so you can enjoy your company. You have plenty of space in the kitchen. You're not invading the personal space of the kitchen. Matter of fact, let's check out the rest of the kitchen. Let me take you to your refrigerator. Made by Furrion, one of the top brands in the RV industry. So, refrigerator is huge, but you don't open it up there. You open it down here. Great space. And before I go too far into the kitchen, you're already showing storage space. Now, stepping over into here, you have your 3-burner stove. Your 3-burner stove, this is always going to be your hottest one, right? So mind that when you're cooking. So you have the accented lights, very nice here. It's pretty easy to use, very simple, kind of like the one you got at home. And sliding down here to your oven, hey, very nice size oven, very accommodating. You can cook a pizza in here, a casserole. I wouldn't suggest you try cooking a turkey. Now, countertop space, amazing, because when you're really cooking, you're gonna have a lot of different dishes. So we have presentation here on your counter space. You have storage space up here. You see you have your large countertop space with your deep kitchen sink. I mean, I could put a whole arm in there. Very deep kitchen sinks, nice amenities. Now, coming back through the living room, you have your, recliner seats that actually have a swivel. So I can watch TV, I can check on the food, I can entertain whoever's sitting there or sitting there. So, hey, your guests have enjoyed themselves. We've eaten great, we've parlayed, and we've fellowshipped. So guess what? Now, it's time to clean up and put these things together. First, you're gonna start off with your pillows. Let me get these out of here. You're gonna throw this up here. Very simple. I mean, like a 10-year-old could do this. You go here, slide this part here back. You're gonna fold your shears in, boom, boom. That's gonna drop back there. Nice and sound. You're gonna retrieve the items we threw around. And your couch is starting to look back like it was. Never knew it was even a bed. Yeah, man, so after that's done and everyone's left, you store this back up. So now, you know, we've put our appliances up. We have our dishes in the sink. We're gonna get those washed up. We got all the food put up. Now it's time to put up the accessory things, the extra things, the chargers, the phones, the boxes. And I got a secret spot to show you where we're gonna put it. Now tell me that isn't nice. So you can have your Xbox up here, your PlayStation. You can store your wine up here. You can hide your anything you want to hide up here because nobody's gonna know it's here. Also dropping down, you have more storage space. You have a connection here. This is your sound bar, which gets very loud. They told me to stop playing it, guys, because I like loud music. But you also have a fireplace here. Really sets the mood. I like to keep it on blue because, you know, Funtown RV we are. But let's take it to the back. Man, I'm telling you, this thing has so much storage space. You can store miscellaneous things. Let's check out the bathroom first. Storage space everywhere, even in the bathrooms. I mean, you store miscellaneous things. There's so much storage space. Then the showers are nice, clearly, because if I can fit in them, you can fit in them. All right. I got an idea. You need an RV. So here, when your company comes, you can store their jackets, raincoats, whichever it accommodates. So this master bedroom is equipped with the Versatile, which is great for your back. It's great for comfort. You never would have thought you slept this good in a camper. Check it out. So, as you sit here, you can be in a sit-up position, if you're familiar. If you're in a sit-up position and you're reading you a nice book, you also have book lighting here for you to read. And it's just nice spacing, man, you know? Let's roll over here. So here's your closet in your master bedroom. You have where you can hang your clothes up, and you have washer and dryer connection. It's pre-wired, so if you want to bring that washer and dryer, we got you. Stackable or a one-in-one, because you got space under here. Can't beat it, man. So with the washer and dryer, you can either have the 2-in-1 washer and dryer, or if you want more closet space, now you can have a full closet, top to bottom. Now, over here you have storage. You can hang more clothes here. A rise up storage over the top. As you can hear that, what's that? AC. You gotta have great AC. This is a dual AC unit. It's beautiful, man. So, you even have 2 nightstands pretty much with this bed. You have the nightstand on that side, the nightstand on this side. You have drawers as well. Keep all type of things there, his and hers. That's her side, that's my side. Also, to control it, you control it with this right here. And I want to show you guys. As you can see, with just the push of a button, your Versatile has went all the way down and you have a full bed spread out. When you're done reading your book, when it's time to take it on in and you've had a great day, this is great for you. Now down here, you have storage hampers. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can put whatever you need in those. And this is your TV back right here if you want to put another TV in your bedroom. So guys, I hope you like this Heritage Glen. If you haven't noticed, if you look on the ground, one thing you do not see is carpet. This is a carpet-free RV. All right guys, y'all have a good day now. It's the end of the day now. We've sent our company home, and now it's time to cool this thing off. Let me show you the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here at your blinds, and these things are blacked out. You know there's no sunlight coming through there. You're gonna come over here. We're gonna do the same to all of our windows. As you can see, you can just feel it getting cooler by the second. There you have it. We've got our blinds closed. We'll come back up this way, and with just one little simple button, We'll close our lights off back here. So guys, there you have it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share Funtown RV. And you guys have a good night. I'm gonna give me some sleep. The extra things, the chargers, the phones, the boxes, and I got a secret spot to show you where we're gonna put it. Now tell me that isn't nice.